In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change SEO titles in Yoast SEO if you want more control over how your page or post appears in Google search results. Updating the SEO title is one of the most important things you can do. The SEO title helps search engines understand your content, and it also influences whether someone clicks on your result. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that setting in WordPress and how to customize it using Yoast SEO. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site content, pages, posts, and plugin settings. Once you're there, head over to either pages or posts, depending on the type of content you want to update. Next, click on the specific page or post you want to edit. Make sure you open the exact piece of content whose search appearance you want to change. This is important because Yoast SEO settings are managed individually for each page or post. After the editor opens, locate the Yoast SEO settings. Depending on your WordPress setup, these settings may appear below the content editor or in a sidebar area. Take a moment to scroll if needed. You're looking for the Yoast section connected to search appearance and snippet settings. Once you've found Yoast, select the Google Preview tab and then click Edit Snippet. This area lets you control how your content may appear in Google results. It usually includes fields for the SEO title, slug, and meta description. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on the SEO title field. In the SEO title box, you may see default template variables already filled in. These are automatic placeholders that Yoast uses to build a title based on your site settings. To create a fully custom SEO title, delete those default variables and type in your new title manually. As you write your title, keep it clear, relevant, and closely matched to the content of the page. It's usually best to include the main keyword naturally and avoid making the title too long, since longer titles may get cut off in search results. The goal is to make it both search-friendly and appealing to real readers. When you're done, go to the top right of your WordPress editor and click the blue Update button. This saves your changes and publishes the new SEO title for that page or post. And that's it. You've successfully changed the SEO title in Yoast SEO. Once saved, search engines will be able to pick up the updated title over time, so always double check your wording before you hit update.